Hey, welcome to AI in 60 seconds. Let's explore 14 unknown ChatGPT tricks that'll supercharge your experience. Let's go. Custom instructions. Tell ChatGPT how to respond, like explain for beginners or use bullet points. Role playing. Make it a coach, teacher, or expert in any field. Formatting. Use Markdown for bold, italics, and lists. Complex queries. Handle multi-step instructions in one go. Clarification. Ask for simpler explanations or examples. Translation and grammar. Translate or fix grammar in seconds. Idea generation. Brainstorm creative ideas on the spot. Code. Help. Review or debug code with ease. Multiple explanations. Explain concepts from different perspectives. Learning companion. Step-by-step guidance on any subject. Regenerate responses. Get alternative answers or tones. Time management. Plan tasks and create to-do lists. Creative constraints. Set limits for focused content creation. Summaries. Get quick bullet point overviews of anything. Try these tricks to level up your ChatGPT game. Like subscribe to AI in 60 seconds and catch you next time.